Hi, my name is Dr. Marianne Cintron. I'm a dyslexia specialist with 20 years experience in education, 10 years as a classroom teacher. And I have worked with dyslexic students for the last 15 years. I have developed a reading program called Step-by-Step Reading. It's got 9 steps and it follows the Orton-Gillingham model. It's multisensory and it's a lot of fun. I've developed a music app called Dunking Dyslexia. It's the 9th step of the program, and it plays music in the left ear and spelling exercises in the right ear. I've also published a book called A Message of Hope, How Music Enhances Reading for Dyslexic Children, and it should be in the hands of every educator, elementary school, high school, and college. So the reading program has 5 manuals that you'll receive. It has a book of key concept pictures that I've designed that will go with your phonogram cards. Okay, and you will have alphabet manipulatives. You'll receive sound circles. You'll receive a spiral index card to put your words on, and I will prepare a student binder for you, so you're all ready to go after the training. It's a one-day training from 10 to 6, and it's online, and I only have 10 spots for my first training that I want to conduct early May, and I will send you the curriculum. I will send you 2 wonderful PowerPoints that you can preview in advance. That'll tell you a little bit about the science behind the music. And you will receive a free app for 3 months that will let your child listen at their leisure. So I hope to hear from you. And your learning outcomes will be, let me share this with you. You will learn the Orton-Gillingham model for teaching dyslexic students and demonstrating an understanding of the structured literacy and the benefits of being systematic. You'll understand and be able to explain and teach the 9-step reading program. You'll understand several ways to teach phonological awareness. You'll understand and recognize dyslexia in the classroom, and you'll be able to describe dyslexia to others. Some benefits: you may get a pay raise with your company for having this extra training. You'll be more marketable because you'll be able to work with multiple students, and you'll be addressing our reading crisis. So the training is coming up in May. Give me a call if you're interested. I have many bonus items that I give you with the training program. You have the curriculum valued at $400. You receive 2 30-minute consultations valued at $300. Bonus items such as spreadsheets for tracking multiple student progress, and that's valued at $100. You have progress monitoring booklets for workbooks 1 and 2, and for the phonics valued at $100. You receive the music app free for 3 months, valued at $30. And my book, A Message of Hope, How Music Enhances Reading for Dyslexic Children, valued at $15. And it's on Amazon. So the bonus items valued $435 for a total program value of $1,432. But I'm giving a reduced price right now for this great audience, and the price is only $797. So again, I have 10 spots for my first training. I hope you reach out to me to be included in this training. The guarantee I have for you is that you are going to see amazing results in 6 weeks. If you feel, and if you feel that you are not trained as well as you need to be, I'll continue to work with you until you are. So you can message me after you see this email, find me on Facebook, or reach out to me at www.dyslexia-solutions.com. Thank you very much.